Hey folks, now's exactly the right time to get ready for summer. We know it's going to get hot, really hot. Windows that cop direct sun are a real factor in making your home hot. So make your home noticeably cooler with this quick and easy way to reduce the sun heating up your home. Pop Renshade on your windows for a quick DIY win. Renshade stops heat radiating through your windows by a whopping 97%. Renshade is see-through insulation. It's perforated aluminium foil material that is fixed to windows and fitted under pergolas. It's a great Aussie invention and it's easy to install. Simply cut Renshade with scissors, put Velcro dots on your windows and pop the Renshade on top. After summer, it can be rolled up and put away until the next hot spell. Keep your view, it lets in filtered light and your home will be noticeably cooler. The need for air conditioning will be significantly reduced, so your energy bills will be lower also. It's a really effective DIY product and it's available at the ecomasterstore.com.au and we can deliver all over Australia. I've even made a set of videos to guide you through the installation process so you can buy with complete confidence. Click on the button below and grab yourself a roll of Renshade.